Good morning. It is the Star FM Breakfast Quiz. My name is Nyasha Mandimutsira, right? So, Zimtulikaziwe, we're keeping it in-house, right? The Breakfast Club versus the Champions League from Capitalk 100.4 FM. It is okay. Anyway, Champions League, are you Team A or Team B? That's it. Are you Team A? Just be.
All right. Totora Team A.
Right.
Team A.
That makes the Breakfast Club Team B. So, Champions League, your first question. What is Zimbabwe's land area in square kilometers?
Come back.
What is Zimbabwe's land area in square kilometers? Plus or minus 10,000 kilometers?
Yeah? Plus or minus 10,000. Okay, 386,000 square meters. Plus or minus 10.
That actually is correct. The actual number is 391,757 kilometers. But it was between 380 to 400. So yeah, you're correct. Anyway, Breakfast Club. According to the Zimbabwe Statistical Organization, Zimstat, as of 2022, which province has the second highest population after Harare?
Manicaland.
Correct, it is indeed Manicaland. Champions League breakfast. On what date was Zimbabwe's independence officially recognized internationally?
Internationally.
Internationally.
17 April?
Is that your final answer?
Yes. I'm so 18 was next day.
That's your final answer, yes?
Eh?
Yes, that's your final answer?
Yeah.
All right, it's actually April 18th, 1980. Breakfast Club. In what year was... Yes, April 18th.
How can you get that wrong,
No,
Breakfast Club. In what year was Zimbabwe's current constitution adopted? In what year was Zimbabwe's current constitution adopted?
2013.
Correct. It is 2013. Breakfast, what do you call this? Champions League. All right. Peter Mparuta was the lead of the group Run family during the 1980s and 90s. What did the letters RUN stand for? That's RUNN. What did the letters RUN, RUNN, stand for?
UN means United Nations.
Wow. So you don't have an answer?
We don't have an answer.
All right. It's real unique.
Is wrong. Thanks, baby.
Okay. Real unique natural notion.
Whoever planted this?
Breakfast Club. Breakfast Club, your question. Mike Mopo was the lead singer for the group Zenawa during the 1980s and 90s. What does the letters Zenawa, Z-I-N-A-W-A, stand for?
Zimbabwe National. What?
Damn.
Yeah, Zimbabwe.
It's gonna be Zimbabwe. It can't be Zambia.
As the Zimbabwe National Workers Association.
Zimbabwe National Arts.
Zimbabwe National Arts.
Workers.
The answer I'm looking for is Zimbabwe National Arts with Action. Champions League breakfast. Until the late 1990s, which industrialist was famous for manufacturing AVM buses and trucks in Masasa? Until the late 1990s, which industrialist was famous for manufacturing AVM buses and trucks in Masasa?
Okay. Is it Dama? Dama what?
The answer is William Dama, but it is okay. Breakfast Club. Breakfast Club.
Chicken bus.
Breakfast Club. Until the late 1990s. This is for the Breakfast Club. Until the late 1990s, which industrialist was famous for manufacturing ERF buses and trucks in Southerton?
Hubert Davison.
It is indeed Hubert Davis.
But I thought Hubert, Mam Chitipe.
Champions League breakfast.
You get what I mean?
Which
They got it wrong,
which insurance specialist was popular in the 1980s and 90s for presenting the show? Marino Penyu Wevan.
Okay. Paul Mkondo.
Correct. It is Paul Mkondo. Breakfast Club. During the 1980s, Dr. Milord Chitio was popular for presenting which program on Radio 2?
Me who?
Milord Chitio. I beg your pardon. It's Dr. Macleod Chitio. I beg your pardon.
The radio doctor.
Indeed, it is the Radio Doctor. Breakfast Club. Who wrote the book? No, but then that's a question, though. Anyway, question. Champions League. Champions League. Who wrote the book Harvest of Thorns?
For crying out loud.
Gugi wa Tiongo. No, wait.
It's in Google.
Shima Chinojga. Sorry. Shima Chinojga.
Okay, so now we are allowed to answer.
Breakfast Club. Who wrote the book Child of War?
Wait. Did they get the last one?
They did.
Guys.
Who wrote the book Child of War?
Michael Jackson.
But you won't be getting the point.
Who wrote the book?
Who wrote the book Child of War? Zimturikazi, so it's Zimbabwe and Ngirigidi centered.
All right, Shima Chinoji.
The answer is Ben Chirasha.
But
Champions League breakfast. Which animal is the symbol of the Matemai totem? Which animal is the symbol of the Matemai totem?
Is it because you have mathematics?
hey, that's ours, man. It's ours. It's ours. Right. It's a disgrace if they don't get it right. It's disrespectful to me.
Imombe.
Where's a mofu?
You can't get it wrong, guys. Disrespectful.
The answer I'm looking for is
an elephant.
an elephant. All right, Breakfast Club. Breakfast Club. Which animal is the symbol of the Wesa totem? Which animal is the symbol of the Wesa totem?
Bill.
It is a mouse. Yeah. Champions League. In Zimbabwe's national administrative system, which district is denoted by the code 63?
Okay. Harare.
Correct, it is Harare. Breakfast Club. In Zimbabwe's national Breakfast Club. In Zimbabwe's national administrative system, which district is denoted by the code 08? Correct, it is Bulawayo. All right, the Champions League breakfast. Champions League breakfast. In addition to red and gold, which other color appears on the Zimbabwe National Army flag or coat of arms? Dang you. Champions League. In addition to red and gold, which other color appears on the Zimbabwe National Army flag or coat of arms?
Sure. All right, green.
Correct, it is green. Breakfast Club. In addition to red, black, gold, and white, what other color appears on the Zimbabwe Defense Forces flag or coat of arms? In addition to red, black, gold, and white, what other color appears on the Zimbabwe Defense Forces flag or coat of arms?
Say that again.
In addition to red, black, gold, and white, what other color appears on the Zimbabwe Defense Forces flag or coat of arms?
And ocean blue.
Blue.
Correct, it is blue. Champions League, your last question. Who is the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education?
Sorry?
Who is the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education? Your last question.
Mr. Totems.
Correct. Breakfast Club, your final question. Who is the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development? Correct.
Give us.
Champions League 7, Breakfast Club 8.
Why?
Visitors are supposed to win all the time.
Never. Zimchilikas, the special gentleman, has been great. We appreciate
we appreciate you guys. Thanks, Phathisani. Yeah, good Phathisani. Phathisani, Sego Phathisani.
Yeah.
Chucks.
Big shout out to the lady who was there. She never said a word. Thanks so much for tuning in to Star FM. Sounding good all the time. It's 9 o'clock. Steve Vickers. Time for the news.
This is Zim Paper's radio broadcasting news.